This is a little bird that I'm not sure what's going on with, but hopefully I think he's okay. I'm going to try and let him go. He's starting to perk up a little bit. He was on my feeder and he wasn't moving. Both of his eyes were shut. And he was gasping for air. I think he may have been choking, maybe on a sunflower seed or something. And looked like he was about to die. And he went ahead and climbed on my hand. And I just kind of tried to get it loose from his throat. At least he's got one eye open. The other one's starting to, so I think he's got some air in there. So I'm going to let him loose. I tried to get hold of Wildlife Rescue and got an answering machine, so little fella, you want to give it a shot? Okay, we're going to see if he can make it here. Okay. Come on, little guy. Alright. I'll tell you what, let's put you down here first. Let's see if you can hop around first. Alright. Oh no! Ran right into a post. Well, he's hopping. That's better than he was doing. Hey, little guy. Can you fly? Hey. Come on, little fella. Come on, little fella. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Fly, 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 fly. Oh, no, 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 no. That didn't work.